What's going on, everybody? Joey here, back in the garage, having fun as always. And today, while I was putting this away, I realized I never did a final review on this bench top Harbor Freight table saw. I remember I talked about it when I first put it together, but I never did my afterthoughts about it. So that's what I'm going to do today, is just a few things. So, one of my thoughts was this table guard right here. It is pretty clumsy. I mean, I can move it about, and it has a measurement right down here. It's not accurate. It has some wobble to it, and for me, I wasn't getting straight cuts. That was my one solid complaint about this thing. The saw did alright for the job of the hardwood flooring. Would I keep it, or would I use it repeatedly as a more regular tool? Probably not. This was a good, cheap, one-time use type of tool. It gave me a lot of headaches. It goes up and down, just as it should. And the saw blade was alright. It's a cheap saw blade, you can tell by that. By the end of the project, it was jumping around, and I didn't like it. It got me kind of sketched out. I could change it out very easily, but that would be a whole new saw blade for each project, which wouldn't be as efficient as it should be. And it did come with this guide. So a lot of people were saying, why don't you have a guide on it? Safety first, that kind of thing. I agree with you, but this thing was just as flimsy. I put it on, and the plastic wobbles around, and it seemed even more dangerous, to use this guide or actual safety guard instead of using it without it. So that was my thought on that also. Other than that, like I said, it worked out perfectly. It has the guide right here. As I said, this thing was got junk. So I was able to just adjust right here with the guide. I would keep it, lock it down, and I was able to cut. But, as I said, I wouldn't recommend this. Good saw for a one-time type of thing, but do not buy this for an actual workhorse saw in your garage. So hopefully that makes sense. I wanted to get that off my chest and put this away because I don't need it anymore. It's currently going to go in storage. So as always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate everything you guys do. And stay safe, everybody.